Ever laid in bed, exhausted, but your brain suddenly becomes a TED Talk? You're not alone. Millions of people aren't losing sleep because they can't, but because their mind won't shut up. What if I told you that your anxiety isn't the problem? It's the way your brain processes stress before bed. Let's break this down. Because sleep isn't just physical, it's deeply mental. Here's the truth. Anxiety before sleep is biologically wired. Your brain has a built-in alarm system, the amygdala. When it's triggered by stress, even tiny worries, it pumps out adrenaline and cortisol. These chemicals say, get up, solve stuff, be alert. That's the opposite of what we need for sleep. Here's an example. Let's say you had a stressful day at work. You didn't scream or cry, but your body held on to it. Now it's 11 p.m. You lay down. No screens. No caffeine. Still, your heart's a little fast, and thoughts start racing. That's not insomnia. That's your nervous system saying, are we safe? Are we okay? It's like trying to park a car while the engine's still revving. So why does this happen at night? Because during the day, distractions cover it up. Work, scrolling, conversation, noise. But the moment we get quiet, the brain goes, finally, let's unpack every fear we didn't deal with today. That's what's called cognitive hyperarousal. And it's the number one reason anxiety affects sleep. Your body's in bed, but your brain's in crisis mode. Now here's the kicker. The more you fight these thoughts, the stronger they get. Ever tell yourself, don't think about it? Your brain says, challenge accepted. This creates a feedback loop. Anxious thoughts, alertness, can't sleep. Frustration, more anxious thoughts. It's like emotional whack-a-mole in your pajamas. Here's the truth. You can't force yourself to sleep, just like you can't force yourself to relax. But you can train your body to recognize safety again. Start with this. Next time you can't sleep, try saying, it's okay. My body is just trying to protect me. Then do something counterintuitive. Get up, sit in dim light, read a boring book, do deep breathing, 4 seconds in, six out. Let your body reset without judgment. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. You're not broken, you're just human, with a brain doing its best to help you survive, even if it chooses 2 a.m. to do it. So if you're lying awake tonight, remember this. Sleep isn't a battle to win. It's a message from your mind asking for peace.